folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out this one. That's right, black is the new black. And that one is black. I'll tell you what, I love doing black guitars until it gets to cleaning them. I mean, I can't get the dust off. But anyway, you probably can't see that. I don't know how high resolution this video is, but it's like I keep seeing little dust things. So if you see me doing this, it's not because I forgot my meds. It's because I just can't keep it dust free. It's just so pretty. I want it to stay that way. Anyway, let me give you a sound sample of what this thing sounds like. All the description of the nerdy details are in the description part of the video. Check that out. What can I say? It's been a pleasure making another black guitar, and I've got 4 more orders for black guitars. Yeah, maybe one of these days I'll just make a bunch of black bodies and have them ready to go, so you guys won't have to wait so long. And right, let's get go. So this one has got those great little Seymour Duncan P-Rails in it. Again, all the description stuff is going to be below, but I'm going to try to do the sample, like given all the different configurations you can get, because it's really funky wiring. It's really cool. I like it. And I don't know, I've just been in a real clean mode lately, so I want to do something more ambient and clean. Let's see what we got. Let's get a little beat going here. And that's the other thing is, I've got this little loop thing on my pedal board. And I've got all effects. I like running like 9 effects at a time. I'm just that way. I'm going to give you as much clean without too many effects on this, but still. So please leave a comment, you guys. Anybody who's like familiar with looping has really good suggestions as far as a separate looper, because I want to get a separate looper, but I really need it to be James proof and user friendly. I don't want something that I have to take a course at the college for to figure out how to operate. So if anybody knows one, let me know. Ooh, that's a little fast, but we'll take it. I think I can work with that. On there, and I'm going to change some pickups around. Okay, let's get something at the better pickup mode. All right, you guys who like distortion, let's give you a little. There you have it. So I tried to give you just a bunch of different sounds that could be had on this. It's a beautiful, wonderful baritone. It's really great. This one is a little different. Normally I'm following the Fender scales down for baritone, so this one is a little bit different. This one is an exact 28 inch, so it's off the metric scale of it. And there you have it. So again, all the nerdy stuff is in the details, and I think this one is about ready to go. Matthew, have a great recording session, and thank you and thank all of you again for supporting Dude Craft Guitars.